video for today. I am back at Theme Park Tycoon. I don't know whether I'm hurting Garen's ears because I am back with him, and I got two. This is gonna be funny.
Yeah, I'm here by the way.
I got two cameras.
Oh, wow.
Oh Jesus! I got two cameras because I kind of have a problem. I can't use the same camera that I can't use the same. I feel like paparazzi's around me right now. I got like two cameras aimed at my face. Anyway, which camera am I looking at again? This one? No, other one. Sorry, I got two cameras because it will not let me use. Be quiet! I'm introing a video. Anyway, guys, as you saw in the Try Not to Laugh challenge, Garen won, so he gets to build the next ride.
Once. And I didn't even laugh at the joke. That's just it. I was even sweating. Sweating usually causes me to laugh for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, 'cause you're weird.
Oh, Alex, I'm totally not going to be building you a wooden coaster.
No!
What?
It doesn't go with my theme.
Alex.
What?
Wooden coaster. It's not going, it may not go with the theme, but I can make it go with the theme.
Oh, I forgot Garen can see everything I'm doing.
Yeah, I saw you go.
No, I did this. Guys, you can go back and watch it. Ow. Anyway, guys, yeah, Nunchuck Day, Taekwondo. You ready for that, Garen?
Yes, and I for some reason want to thank you with them.
The viewers can hear you, know that, right?
I know. You Taekwondo.
I'm wearing my Taekwondo shirt right now.
Cool. I know.
Guys, like Spike at 3, 2, 1. I'm joking. That's all dreams. I know that. No.
You watch Typical Gamer?
No, it's called Papa Jake. There's actually a YouTuber called Papa Box
But
Short.
that's Typical Gamer.
Yeah, I used to watch Typical Gamer. Pike the Gamer.
What?
Pike the Gamer. A friend of Typical Gamer. They play GTA 5.
I don't watch any Typical Gamer GTA 5 videos. I was watching Fortnite.
Okay, so guys, what I'm doing here is I am basically building Theme Park Incorporated.
He's building a Theme Park Incorporated building in his park.
Yes, and I'm going to leave the second area open. This is going to be the last bit area because the rest of the coaster is going to be kind of inside. It's going to be, I'm leaving that side of the building open.
Wait a second, I just realized I'm building a junior coaster. It's supposed to be running a while now, so I was wondering why it wouldn't let me do steep drops.
Hey Garen, don't you think it might be a little bit of a smart idea to, I don't know.
Two. Alex?
What?
Might be a smart idea too?
Oh, sorry, I lost my train of thought. That's gone. But anyway, guys, maybe after
this train of thought at the worst possible time.
Maybe after I get done with the building, me and Garen will do
a wooden coaster.
Nope. Murder mystery.
No, I've already started building a wooden coaster.
On my plot.
Yeah.
Honey, no.
Hey, bud.
Hey, what?
Remember what I said about maybe losing a little early going to get in the field?
No.
So you don't remember about going to get the tune for my back?
I know.
No.
I don't want to do that.
There you have it, folks. Garen telling his dad he doesn't want to do something.
What?
Bro, you do realize I'm recording and everybody has heard that.
I know.
I got two
We can
cameras.
edit it out.
2 cameras in Ferrazzi, and I got a 3rd camera behind me. That's for
What?
I got a brand new camera for my computer over there to
Shut up.
record my Xbox.
Dude, I actually have an idea for the wooden coaster to make it kind of have a theming. Okay?
Okay.
So basically, the wooden coaster is gonna be themed on a little.
Okay, sorry guys, I was trying to make sure that this would work because look at Garen. There's Garen. So yes, it will work. I'm testing to make sure that I'm not being stupid and that it will work. It will work fine. But yeah,
He
my
is
mic's not
stupid.
working. Bruh.
He's actually admitted that. I'm not trying to be mean, but he has actually admitted that. Which is the best part about that. It makes it through, Alex. I've already tested, but it barely makes it through the second area of the humps. Oh, you're writing it. But basically, this isn't supposed to be too fast paced. It's gonna take place in a lumber yard.
Smart,
The fast
smart.
bit of the ride will be on this first drop. Well, it will. I don't know how fast it'll go, but it'll go.
I better
Alex done screwed up.
I done goofed.
Alex, you are always done goofy. You've done goofed your whole life. Okay?
By the way, guys, this is Garen Park right here that I'm in right now.
No, you're not.
Garen, you idiot!
What?
Do you know what you did?
What?
Do you see that you left a big grassy area in the
Yeah, I
middle?
know. I did it so nobody would go in there because I'm going to add a couple rides. Then I'm going to open this part of the park up.
Oh, okay.
I did it like an actual theme park.
The mailman's coming. This is the mail truck. U-Haul.
You haul, we steal.
Jake Paul's bus.
Did you say Jake Paul's butt?
I said Jake Paul's bus, you idiot.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Did you see
What do you
that?
think of the wooden cumber? It's going to take place in a lumber yard.
So, why are we hurt?
No, there's going to be a turnoff to where the coaster in the building is that will be dirt. And for dirt, we're just going to make it a textured wood. Right, Alex?
What?
We're gonna get planks because they look a little more textured. But let's get marble. Let's get it kind of a brownish color to make it look like dirt.
I'm not dancing.
I know. I'm actually Alex. You know I'm a pro builder in this game.
I know.
Like I'm literally a pro builder. I'm kind of known about that for my friends in this game. I'm none of the pro builders. Not trying to brag, but I am good at building. Go to my park and see what I did in less than a week.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to his park right now if I can get there in less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, he's got limitations. It's to the right.
I
Two
know.
parks to the right.
I've got swagger and I got some milk.
Oh, and Alex, you have to ride at least the Cobra roller coaster, the spinning roller coaster. You have to ride at least those two rides. It's just a really weird burp. Again, my life is weird, so I don't know what's wrong with that.
You're weird. You're weird.
Alex, I will stop building for you if you say that again.
You're weird.
Okay, I'll stop building for you.
No, 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 no. No. Did you stop building?
No. But if you look at my pot, I did.
Okay, Garen, you're getting sued. One of your trains ran over me.
Okay. Well, I'll just sue you for walking on the tracks.
Okay, guys, we're gonna test a flying coaster. Could you give me freaking building rights?
No, you're not testing that.
Garen, I'm trying to show you my freaking viewers.
No, I didn't know. I will show my viewers and your viewers once it's completely finished with theming and when it's completely done.
Well, I just
What is
showed.
that?
I showed all my viewers already.
No, I mean like when I have theming and for it.
Guys, we're going to ride this ride. That's the same ride.
After I the Cobra.
I'm working on it. If I can get it done in less than 3 minutes.
Oh, and in case you want to know why he has tried the Cobra is my only coaster with conversion. It's one of my shortest coasters. In fact, it is my shortest coaster.
And it's your slowest.
No, it's not. My wild mouse is. Okay, so basically, the reason it's so short and it's so special to me, and I'm sorry for the blower, but basically, it has a custom Cobra roll on it, the first of its kind in this entire game. That's why it's so special to me, because it's one of a kind.
By the way, guys, I don't know if you can see him, but he's up in the Garen's right by my face cam. So we have 2 face cams, Garen. We got mine and we got yours.
Oops, no.
I just realized something.
Jackson. That's what Jackson would say. Poop on it.
I just realized something, Garen. Your face is now on YouTube. Wait, it's been in one of your videos, so I'm Gucci. I'm looking at myself and Garen at the same time. Hey guys, that was a Cobra. It was slow compared to some of mine. But yeah, so guys.
Slow compared to some of yours.
In my other park.
Yeah, I know.
Garen, get over to your park.
Guess who built the fastest rides in your park?
Garen, get over here quick. We're doing an outro.
No, get over here.
I got 3 minutes.
Okay, get over here. Get over here. Not sponsored by the creators of Mortal Kombat.
Try not to laugh. I failed.
Okay, so it's now 6-1.
Bro. The try not to laugh is already done.
I know, but I'm still gonna count the points.
Guys, Garen's link will be down in the description below. He's getting ready to start another video, aren't you, Garen?
What?
You're getting ready to start a video, aren't you, Garen?
No.
Garen, come on, get inside Theme Park Incorporated. Come on.
Wait, you're in Theme Park Incorporated?
I'm running to it.
By the way, once we're finished with the ride, we will show you.
Bro, stand by me. Stand by me.
Hold up. We can't with this.
I got 2 minutes. Stop. Okay, guys.
So Alex, we need to look at the camera and we need to line up, and we need to do /E space dance 5 at the same time. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And tell me when you have it typed in and say 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2. Wait. E. Okay, guys, if you did this video, wait.
This is what Alex is trying to do.
Okay. Well, guys, if you didn't, Garen, look at your freaking camera on your phone. We're doing an outro. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button.
I'm totally not throwing stuff around in my basement.
Turn on my post notifications. I'm out. That's you guys.